3-bed, 2-bath, 1,899 square feet, 6,534 square foot lot. This stately, all-brick country club home is boasting charm. From original hardwood floors and trim to ornate leaded glass windows and beautifully maintained built-ins throughout. As you enter, you are greeted by a stunning living room with a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace. To your right is a cozy sitting room just through a pair of original French doors. Ahead is the open dining room and large kitchen, complete with newer, custom cabinets. There is also a nice-sized pantry space for added storage and a 3/4 bath conveniently located on the first floor as well. Upstairs, you will find all 3 bedrooms and a full bath. Note the larger closets for a home of this age. The basement is unique with its air-defying soaring ceilings. The possibilities here are endless. The large, covered porch at the front, fantastic 3-season sunroom at the back, and detached 2-stall garage are all just icing on the cake.